In 1954, a terrifying creature emerged from the waters of Wakulla Springs. Some believed it was merely a motion picture. Others were not so certain. Today, the Misfit Travelers return to investigate. This week, the Misfit Travelers explore Wakulla Springs, one of Florida's most beautiful natural treasures, and uncover the movie history hidden beneath its waters. Exploring the world one Misfit adventure at a time. The historic Wakulla Springs Lodge opened in 1937, and stepping inside feels like traveling back in time, from its grand lobby and vintage atmosphere to the beautiful grounds surrounding the property. The lodge is an attraction all by itself. But one detail immediately caught the Misfit Travelers' attention. Creature from the Black Lagoon was playing right there in the lobby. Guests can relax in the historic lounge, watch the film, and experience a piece of movie history where it actually happened. Inside the lodge and out, the Misfit Travelers found exhibits dedicated to the springs, local history, and the films that helped make Wakulla Springs famous. There was even a life-size creature from the Black Lagoon waiting for photos. It didn't take long to realize this wasn't just a spring, it was a living piece of Hollywood history. Before boarding the boat, the Misfit Travelers took time to admire the springs themselves. The crystal clear water, towering cypress trees, and peaceful atmosphere made it easy to understand why visitors have been drawn here for generations. Then it was time for one of the most popular experiences at Wakulla Springs, the famous boat tour. As the boat drifted through the river, wildlife seemed to appear around every corner. The Misfit Travelers spotted alligators, birds, turtles, and plenty of classic Florida scenery along the way. It felt like stepping into a completely different world. But the boat tour wasn't just about wildlife. It also passed through areas used in some of Hollywood's most famous films. The Misfit Travelers cruised through locations featured in Creature from the Black Lagoon, and even areas connected to Hollywood's classic Tarzan films. For a moment, it felt like Hollywood's golden age was still hiding among the cypress trees. From movie monsters and jungle adventures to crystal clear water and incredible wildlife, Wakulla Springs proved that some of Florida's greatest treasures are hiding in plain sight. And sometimes, you don't have to travel across the world to find something unforgettable. For the Misfit Travelers, seeing where Hollywood met old Florida made this adventure one they'll never forget. What's next for the Misfit Travelers? Stay tuned for more. Until next time, fellow Misfits!
Don't forget to show support and click below
to subscribe to the Misfit Travelers channel. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.